Cycling daily is more than just a fun way to get around. It's a powerful tool for transforming your health. Imagine pedaling your way to improved cardiovascular fitness, stronger muscles, and enhanced mental well-being. Daily cycling can boost your mood, increase your energy levels, and even help with weight management. In this video, we'll explore how just a short ride each day can lead to significant health benefits, from reducing stress to improving your overall endurance. So whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just thinking about hopping on a bike, stick around to discover how making cycling a daily habit can truly change your life for the better. Daily cycling is a fantastic way to enhance your overall physical fitness. One of the most significant benefits is its positive impact on cardiovascular health. Regular cycling strengthens your heart, improves circulation, and lowers blood pressure, making your heart more efficient. Additionally, cycling engages various muscle groups, particularly in your legs, core, and even your arms, leading to improved muscle strength and endurance. As you ride consistently, you'll notice increased stamina, allowing you to tackle longer rides with ease. Plus, cycling is an effective way to manage weight, burning calories, and building lean muscle. This combination of benefits not only boosts your fitness, but also contributes to better overall health and well-being. Cycling is not just great for your body, it also works wonders for your mental well-being. Engaging in regular cycling can significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels, providing a much-needed escape from daily pressures. As you pedal, your body releases endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which can elevate your mood and create a sense of happiness. Additionally, cycling outdoors allows you to connect with nature, which has been shown to enhance mental clarity and focus. The combination of physical activity and fresh air can clear your mind, boost creativity, and improve overall mental health. So, grab your bike and experience the uplifting effects of cycling on your mind. Cycling is an excellent activity for maintaining joint and bone health, primarily due to its low-impact nature. Unlike high-impact exercises, cycling puts minimal stress on your joints, making it a safe option for people of all ages and fitness levels. This gentle movement helps to lubricate the joints, reducing stiffness and discomfort. Additionally, regular cycling strengthens bones by promoting bone density, which is crucial in reducing the risk of osteoporosis as we age. However, it's essential to ensure your bike is properly fitted to your body to prevent injuries and maximize benefits. A well-fitted bike allows for optimal posture and comfort, ensuring you can enjoy cycling for years to come. Cycling plays a vital role in enhancing heart health and overall cardiovascular function. Regular cycling improves heart efficiency by strengthening the heart muscle, allowing it to pump blood more effectively throughout the body. This increased circulation not only delivers oxygen and nutrients to your organs but also helps remove waste products. Engaging in consistent cycling can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and managing weight. To reap these benefits, it's crucial to maintain a consistent cycling routine, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity cycling each week. By making cycling a regular part of your life, you can enjoy a healthier heart and a longer life. Cycling is an effective and enjoyable way to aid in weight loss and management. One of its key benefits is its impressive calorie-burning potential. Depending on your intensity and duration, cycling can burn hundreds of calories in a single session. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to shed pounds or maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, regular cycling helps boost your metabolism, allowing your body to burn calories more efficiently even at rest. However, to maximize weight management results, it's essential to combine cycling with a balanced diet rich in nutrients. By pairing consistent cycling with healthy eating habits, you can achieve and sustain your weight goals while enjoying the journey. Cycling is not just a solo activity, it can also be a fantastic way to foster social interactions and build lasting friendships. Joining cycling groups or clubs offers numerous benefits, including the opportunity to meet like-minded individuals who share your passion for biking. The camaraderie that develops during group rides creates a supportive environment where friendships can flourish. These social connections can significantly enhance your cycling experience, making it more enjoyable and motivating. Additionally, Having a network of fellow cyclists provides positive reinforcement, encouraging you to stay committed to your fitness goals. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, consider joining a cycling community to enrich your journey on two wheels. In summary, cycling every day offers a multitude of benefits for both physical and mental health. From improving cardiovascular fitness and strengthening muscles, to reducing stress and enhancing mood, the advantages are clear. Incorporating cycling into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Whether you ride solo or join a group, the positive impacts on your health and social connections are undeniable. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with friends who might also benefit from cycling. Together, let's inspire more people to embrace the joy of cycling and its transformative effects on health and happiness.